Okay, welcome to three-dimensional geometry. In that analytical geometry portion about the spheres. Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen. I think I already shared my screen to you. It is no issue. Screen and my camera both are open, and here also my camera is open. Okay. So here, tap audio. I'm adding your record also, so please be careful while asking doubts. Okay. So now we are to open this. What is the topic here? What is the topic name?
The sphere.
Spheres. Spheres means already you said that it is a three-dimensional view of circle. It is a ball. It is a ball, a globe. All these are spheres only. Okay, and we have its equation. We have its equation. And what is that equation? We can see that the equation is just give me a second. Done. So this is equation. This is sphere's equation. A sphere is a locus of points which remains at the constant distance from the fixed point. There is a fixed point is there, and it has a constant distance in all directions in three dimensions. It's just like a circle, but we have a three-dimensional. It is a ball. It is just like a ball. It is. Okay, it is a ball front. It's a ball only, I can say. The constant distance is nothing but your radius. Okay, and the fixed point is called center of sphere. This is a formal definition of sphere only. And what is the equation of the sphere? So do you know the distance between 2 points is constant? It is the equation of distance between a point on the sphere xyz and the center is ABC. So your equation becomes x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equals to r square, where r is the radius of the sphere. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the equation of circle in general?
Equation of sphere. Sphere.
What is the equation of circle in general?
Sir, I don't. Sir, Wiley put it.
I will tell you. This is the equation of circle.
Okay, x minus a whole square plus y minus b.
X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square, where a comma b is the center, r is the radius. And now this is the point for the sphere, so you can see the z coordinate. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And if you simplify the equation with squares and all, then you will get x square plus y square plus z square minus 2ax minus 2by minus 2cz plus a square plus b square plus c square, and this r square come to this side, it will become minus r square, and it is equals to 0. So this is a main equation of sphere. It is another form. We can write it as center and radius form. It is a general form of the equation. Okay, and this equation must follow three conditions. What are they? X, Y, Z all must have degree 2 at most. All must have degree 2. It is of the second degree in X, Y, Z. X should have 2 degree, Y should have 2 degree, Z should have 2 degree, and not at most, it is exactly. Because if there is no Z variable, so there is no third dimension. That's the problem. So these three must be exist in the equation. And the coefficients of x square comma y square comma z square all must be equal. All must be equal. Either all are negative, either all are positive, or but at the end all must be equal. If it is minus is there, we can take a common and we can send to that side, other side. Okay, and the product terms xy, yz, zx are absent. So there is no product xy, yz, zx. Okay, so these three values, these three variable combinations should not be appear, and all coefficients of x square, y square, z square must be equal, and it is a second degree in x, y, z. So these three conditions are most important. Okay, and conversely, we will now show that the general equation is this form. Okay. Simply you can extend the form and you will get the answer. There is no point. So for example, if this is a general equation, how can we get the previous method? See here, x minus a whole square, this equation is there, you expanded, you got this case. And in this case, you have to make some suitable perfect square. This is a perfect square method, and with that you will get the point. This coefficient, these constant points will make a center, and this is a radius. Radius is nothing but it's a square root whole square under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad by a square. It's a square root. A square, x square, square root get cancel here. So this is your main equation for r value, and this is a center either C or O. Okay, and now, so and what is the condition? The locus of B, that sphere, is equation. The radius and therefore sphere is imaginary when it is case. See, r should not be negative. R is a radius, it is a positive. It is a positive. And sphere is imaginary. There is no sphere if it r is, if this value is inside of square root, if it is negative, so there is no, that is not a sphere, that is imaginary sphere. Of course, that is a sphere, but we can't see in 2 dimension. Okay, in this case, we call it is virtual sphere. Virtual sphere means sphere, but not on the paper, not on the 3-dimensional image. It will not visible. Okay, so that is your virtual sphere. And next, general equation of sphere. So it is simply extending this equation and simplifying the squares only. So you will get this equation. And this is a general case. General case. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2u dash plus 2u dash x plus 2v dash y plus 2w dash z plus d dash is equals to 0. In this case, your center will be directly, you can write it is minus u dash comma minus v dash comma minus w dash. There also you can write down. Okay. So now please, now we have some exercise portion. Find the center and radius of the equation. How can we find? Now you have to give the answer. How can you find the center and radius of this equation? How can we find the center and radius of this equation? I am doing one problem, rest 2 problems you have to do, okay? Is it clear?
Okay.
So I'm taking a problem here. So what is the first equation?
Square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 8y minus 10z plus 1.
X square plus y square plus, I should take a good color pen. The pen is not clear. I'm taking this. Yeah, light blue, sky blue. Okay. So the first one, the equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 8y minus 10z plus 1 is equals to 0. So we should get the equation. We should get the equation. Okay. In the previous case, I said in that image, what is that? If you see here, so here it is. I said no. So in this case here, so what is the coefficient of x here?
Coefficient. 0, 1.
What is the coefficient of x?
Okay, there. So 2.
2u dash. So here what I written? Minus u dash.
Yes.
Okay. So to the coefficient of x, you have to multiply with minus 1 by 2.
Okay.
You will get u dash minus u dash. You will get minus u dash. That's the coefficient. That's the point of x coordinate. So here you can either do that thing or convert the entire equation to general form. How can we convert x square and its friend is minus 6x? How can we make it a perfect square? So can convert into perfect square.
So plus 1 square.
You have to make into perfect square. How can you do that? What is a plus x plus a whole square?
X square plus a square plus 2ax.
X square plus 2ax plus a square. You have to take like that.
Huh.
So here, what is your fact for the rest term? It is minus 6. 6 by
So
2.
it's 9.
3. Plus 9 minus 9. Clear?
Yes.
And plus y square plus 8y and plus 16
That's 16
minus
minus
16 and plus z
So
square.
not 16, 64. Correct. So
Okay,
16.
it is 16. Okay,
Huh.
so z square minus 10z
Minus 10
plus
z
25 minus 25 plus 1 is equals to 0.
0.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so here, so you have to get this is one term, this is one term, this is two one term. So it will be x minus 3 whole square plus
Y minus
y plus 4 whole square
y plus
plus z minus 5 whole square. So minus 25 minus 25 minus 50 plus 50 plus
minus
1
50.
minus 49 is equals to 0. Okay, so implies your equation becomes x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square is equals to 49. We can write it as 7 square. What is the center? 3 comma minus 4 comma 5.
5.
And what is the radius? Is equals to 7. So it is very fine. Now your work is about to do the second problem and the third problem. Please try to do it now. Do it now. If you have any difficulty by adding or subtraction, you are getting any problem, I will help you. Please write down on a pen page, on a paper, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 5 is equals to 0. Please make it. Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Please continue. Please write down these two equations first. I will do some other work.
Sir, we should do plus minus. X plus 1 whole square plus Sir, can you show at last?
What is the last? For minus, okay. So for
Okay,
minus, it will be
everything.
number as it is. For plus becomes minus.
So in middle, we should take always plus.
Where?
So last second step, we took x minus 3 whole square plus.
Here,
Everywhere. We should take plus or not?
it is plus only. It must be plus.
Okay.
Okay, it must be plus. That is, you always get plus only because all are positive. Either you get all positive or either these three will be all will be negative only. Okay, so please be careful. It is for your practice. You need to do all these problems. Okay.
So center is minus 1, comma minus 2, comma minus 3.
Okay. What is the radius?
3.
Okay. Next problem. Meanwhile, let me check my screen is live or not. Okay, I shared my screen.
So there he, sorry, answer there he given plus 2 plus 3.
No problem. No problem. Keep it as it is. No issue. Go for the third one. I want your solution. Send the pics of your solution. I will check.
Sir, by taking two common, we can do.
You can you have to take 2 common and make the constant as 3/2.
So no need of taking for 3. Without 3, we can do.
Do whatever you want to do. Send the solution. Done.
Yeah.
Let's check what is further. It is second problem, there is a third problem, there is a fourth problem, fifth problem, and 6.2 is not in our topic. We have to go for the 6.3.1. For the 6.3.1, plane section of sphere is a locus of points common to the sphere and a plane. It is a circle. Sphere is not solid. Okay, sphere is not solid. There is a gas. There is a vacuous place. It's an empty inside. Okay, it's a hollow. Okay. 6.3.1 intersection of two spheres. Equation of circle. Six point six. I should open. Equation of tangent plane. Most important. Six point six. Okay. Examples 1 and 2, there must be some exercise problems. These are the examples. We get the required condition. Okay. 4 and exercise problems we have. It's a good number of problems are here. 16, then 7.1. Is it done?
Yes, sir, completed.
Then the solution. Do it fast. You are a little bit slow, not little bit too much slow.
Sir, I was in mute. It was completed.
Okay. Do it.
Sir, I
Cool.
sent it photos.
Okay. So just to give me 1 second. You did the problems of 6.6 tangent plane. We have to come to the tangent plane, but before that we have to complete 6.1.3. I think we have to go to the page number 85.
Sir,
Just to give me 1 second. I got it. Okay, so we have 5 problems we have to do all. Just it. That's it. So let's stop an online screen because of WhatsApp. So I have to download your solution. There are 2 images you sent. Get it down. Save as. WhatsApp solution 1 and gets to the save as. Okay, you're done. Let's share the screen. Now I'm sharing my screen to my live session. That's it. Enable audio. Share system audio. Your audio will record. Okay. Oh, it's a hide. So you sent the solutions are like this. Control C. Control V. Control Z. Okay. What is the first problem? You got -1, -2, -3. But the solution is saying that it is -1, 2, 3. How did you do this? It is okay. It is minus plus plus. I'm going to the previous equation. Plus minus. And you took the equation
sir,
plus.
I took plus.
You took all plus. See, it is a common mistake. No issue. You took this as plus, this as plus. What about the constant? Constant you took 5. No issue. You took the wrong problem, but you have the right answer according to the problem. So it is fine. And the radius is 3. That's it. Rest all are okay. Radius is 3. Only plus minus difference is there. The rest factors is have no change. And the second one, I think you got the answer correct only. It is 1/2 -1 -1/2.
Sir, can I take 10 minutes break The AC has
Just to give, just to give. Okay. So let's have a break, 10 minutes break, and I will stop the record and we will join back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.